In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the Lexus RX 350 lineup to reveal the best years you should buy and the models you might want to avoid. We've carefully ranked every Lexus RX 350 across its generations to help you make the smartest choice and avoid costly mistakes. The RX 350 first arrived in 2007 as part of the second generation of the RX series, replacing the RX 330 with a stronger and more refined 3.5-liter V6 engine. But Lexus didn't stop at power alone. They combined smooth performance with a luxurious interior, advanced technology, and premium comfort, creating an SUV that truly represents luxury on wheels. So if you're thinking about buying a Lexus RX 350, this guide will help you find the best model years and steer clear of the worst ones. Ready to hit the accelerator and find your perfect Lexus RX 350? The 2008 and 2009 Lexus RX 350 models are often considered the best years of the second generation. The main reason is simple. They have fewer hidden problems compared to other model years. Reports and complaints to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration are relatively low, which makes these models a safer and more reliable choice for buyers. Under the hood, both models come with a proven 3.5-liter 2 GR-FE-V6 engine that produces around 270 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. This power is delivered through a smooth 5-speed automatic transmission. When it comes to fuel economy, the front-wheel drive version offers about 18 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. If you choose the all-wheel drive version, you'll get better traction, but fuel efficiency drops slightly. When it comes to the Lexus RX 350, the 2007 model year is one you may want to avoid. Unfortunately, this model is known for several reliability issues that could lead to costly repairs. One of the biggest problems is a faulty VVT-i oil hose that can leak unexpectedly, and if it's not fixed in time, it could cause serious engine damage. On top of that, some owners have reported water pump failures that may lead to engine overheating. There are also issues with the rack and pinion steering system, which can affect how the vehicle handles. In addition, brake actuator problems have been reported, potentially impacting braking performance. And to make matters worse, many 2007 models also suffer from cracked or damaged dashboards over time. For a brand known for reliability and luxury, these problems make the 2007 RX 350 model year buyers should approach with caution. These model years stand out as some of the best in the Lexus RX 350 lineup. Why? Because they earned strong praise from several trusted automotive sources like J.D. Power, Vehicle History, Cars.com, and Consumer Reports, all of which rated these models very highly for reliability and overall performance. Under the hood, the RX 350 is powered by a 3.5-liter 2 GR-FE-V6 engine that delivers about 275 horsepower and 257 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission that provides a refined and comfortable driving experience. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the RX 350 performs quite well for a luxury SUV. The front-wheel drive version offers around 18 miles per gallon in the city and up to 25 miles per gallon on the highway. These years also introduced the Sporty F Sport package, giving the RX 350 a more performance-focused feel. It includes features like an 8-speed automatic transmission, paddle shifters, a performance-tuned suspension, and subtle design upgrades that enhance its sporty appearance. Inside the cabin, the RX 350 truly delivers the luxury Lexus is known for. Drivers and passengers are treated to premium materials such as semi-aniline leather seats, along with a high-quality Mark Levinson sound system that provides an outstanding audio experience. The vehicle also includes voice-controlled navigation and the Lexus N-Form system, which offers helpful services like emergency assistance and connected features. Safety is another strong point for these models. They come equipped with up to 10 airbags, stability control, and available advanced safety technologies such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. In fact, the 2013 model even received the IIHS Top Safety Pick Award, making it one of the safest choices in its class. When it comes to the Lexus RX 350, the 2010 model year is one that many buyers may want to avoid. The biggest issue reported with this model is related to serious oil leaks. A major cause of this problem was the VVT-i oil line, a concern that had already appeared in earlier models but unfortunately returned in 2010. If this oil line fails, the engine can lose oil very quickly, which may lead to severe engine damage if not addressed in time. In addition to the oil leak problem, the 2010 RX 350 was also involved in the well-known unintended acceleration issue that affected several Toyota and Lexus vehicles during that time. Because of this, Lexus issued recalls to fix potential problems with the floor mats and accelerator pedals that could cause the pedal to get stuck. There were also reports of cooling system issues that could lead to engine overheating, along with electrical problems that sometimes caused battery failure or alternator damage. Some owners even experienced rough or harsh transmission shifts during driving. Taken together, these issues make the 2010 RX 350 a model year that buyers should carefully consider before purchasing. If you're looking for one of the most reliable Lexus RX 350 models, the 2018 and the 2020 to 2022 model years are among the best choices. These models consistently receive strong praise from trusted automotive sources such as Vehicle History, Cars.com, and Consumer Reports for their reliability, comfort, and overall performance. Under the hood, they are powered by a 3.5-liter 2 GR-FKS V6 engine that produces about 295 horsepower and 268 pound-feet of torque. This power is paired with a smooth and efficient 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering a refined and responsive driving experience. Fuel economy is also impressive for a luxury SUV. For example, the 2020 RX 350 delivers around 20 miles per gallon in the city and up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway, which is quite efficient for a vehicle in this class. In terms of technology, these models are well equipped. Starting from 2020, features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Lexus's advanced safety system come standard, providing both convenience and peace of mind while driving. Another great advantage of these model years is their strong reliability record. Most owners report very few serious problems. While there may occasionally be minor issues such as small infotainment glitches or minor technical concerns, overall these RX 350 models are known for being dependable, comfortable, and well-built luxury SUVs. When looking at the Lexus RX 350 lineup, the 2016 and 2017 model years are often considered ones that buyers should approach with caution. One of the most common issues reported during these years involves faulty fuel pumps, which in some cases could cause the engine to suddenly stall while driving. This can be especially dangerous if it happens at highway speeds. The 2016 model also had a specific recall related to the ABS actuator. The issue was caused by a damaged O-ring that could affect brake fluid pressure control, potentially reducing braking performance in critical situations. Meanwhile, the 2017 RX 350 faced its own recall involving the brake assist vacuum pump. If this component fails, the vehicle may experience reduced braking assistance, which means drivers would need to apply more force when stopping the vehicle. While these problems don't affect every vehicle, they are important concerns to consider. Because of these reliability issues and recalls, many experts recommend being cautious when considering the 2016 and 2017 Lexus RX 350 models. When it comes to choosing the right Lexus RX 350, knowing the best and worst model years can save you a lot of money, time, and frustration. The right year can give you a smooth, reliable luxury driving experience, while the wrong one might come with costly problems you'd rather avoid. Hopefully this guide helped you understand which Lexus RX 350 models are worth your investment and which ones you should think twice about before buying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next car buying guide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.